Welcome to the Montessori classroom, an environment carefully designed to foster independence, creativity, and a love for learning. In a Montessori setting, children are empowered to take control of their own education, guided by their natural curiosity. Here, each child follows their own learning path, engaging in activities that spark their interest and match their developmental needs. Montessori's hands-on materials turn abstract concepts into tangible experiences, helping children truly grasp subjects like math, geography, and language. Unlike traditional classrooms, Montessori teachers are not at the center of the lesson. Instead, they observe, guide, and intervene only when necessary, allowing children the space to explore and learn at their own pace. This child-centered approach encourages independence, self-confidence, and problem-solving skills that last a lifetime. In Montessori classrooms, mixed age groups foster a unique sense of community. Younger students look up to their older peers, while the older ones reinforce their own knowledge by teaching and supporting the younger ones. This peer-to-peer learning encourages collaboration and empathy, creating a warm and inclusive environment where every child feels valued. Montessori materials are more than just educational tools. They're the foundation of the learning process. From math to language, these materials are designed to engage the child's senses and make abstract concepts more concrete. Through hands-on experience, children build a deeper understanding of the world around them, fostering not just academic knowledge, but a lifelong passion for learning. Learning in a Montessori school isn't confined to the classroom. Children spend time outdoors, exploring nature, and learning about the environment. This connection with nature fosters respect for the world and encourages curiosity beyond traditional academic subjects. Montessori instills a sense of wonder and responsibility for the natural world, teaching children to appreciate and care for their environment. Montessori education goes beyond academics. It nurtures the whole child, socially, emotionally, and intellectually. Through daily interactions, children learn the value of respect, patience, and empathy. Children develop emotional resilience and mindfulness, preparing them for the challenges of life, both in and out of school. Montessori education is more than a method. It's a philosophy that prepares children for life. By cultivating independence, critical thinking, and a passion for discovery, Montessori schools help children grow into confident, capable, and compassionate individuals. So, why choose Montessori? Because Montessori doesn't just prepare children for school, it prepares them for life. To learn more about our Montessori programs and how they can benefit your child, visit waterfrontacademy.org.